Good morning, folks. Jessica in Wisconsin. Today we are walking Sandy on the street, but I wanted to show you what a beautiful day is going to be today. I know it's coldy, yes, but it's winter. But also, look at these beautiful clouds. It looks like we're going to be probably sunny today. We are just walking around Deep here, Wisconsin. What a beautiful day. I just wanted to share this beautiful sunrise to everybody out there. And I wanted to say thank you so much for the compliments, for your comments on YouTube. I definitely read them. And thank you for watching us here at Jessica in Wisconsin, Jessica Sinna. Have a wonderful day. New Year's Eve is coming up soon. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, folks.